So yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have here green apple, I have ginger, celery and a lemon. I have some honey, and I will be making something pretty easy, refreshing, and it's loaded with a whole lot of health benefit. Yes guys, so I'm gonna go directly into the video, and my fruits, they're already washed, so I'm just gonna go into cutting them. And yes guys, this juice is loaded with calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, potassium, vitamin A, K, C, E, B. My god, this is loaded with nutrients. You're talking about riboflavin, folic acid, vitamin B6. Guys, just go ahead and do your own research. I'm not a doctor, guys. I'm not a doctor, I'm just a chef delivering something delicious and refreshing for you guys, loaded with minerals and vitamins. So now that my apple is cut in smaller pieces, I'm gonna go straight into the blender with it, and I'll be using the whole apple. Okay guys, and now I'll be using 2 celery stalk, or this is actually 1 celery stalk cut in half. Okay guys, I'm just gonna cut it a smaller piece, put it directly in your blender, and I will be using a small piece of ginger, and I will be peeling it. Yeah man. This one is pretty easy guys, so go ahead and try it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this in smaller pieces also, and I'm gonna put it directly in my blender. I will be putting in a lemon inside. With this juice guys, you can boost your immune system. It's perfect for weight loss. If you have urinary tract infection, it can also help with that. Lower blood cholesterol, lower blood pressure. And as I said guys, just go ahead and do your own research. Alright guys, so I'll be putting in my lemon inside, yeah, and I'm using purified water, so I'm gonna put some water inside, yeah, and I will be putting the honey in at this moment. Yes guys, you don't have to add honey, that is all up to you. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put this to blend, yeah, for approximately 2 minutes or until perfectly blend. Alright guys, now that this fabulous and healthy juice is perfectly blended, I will be straining it. Alright guys. Guys, this juice is like a medication. This juice is loaded with fiber, guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour this beautiful juice inside my glass, and I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. Wow guys, this juice is so refreshing. Guys, please go ahead and try this juice, guys. It is a beautiful one. Wow. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed, and I will catch you in another video. Be safe and stay healthy. Bye.